Are you looking for the best pressure canners? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best pressure canners on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Best overall. This classic 16-quart pressure canner has stood the test of time and resembles models the USDA used to set its pressure canning guidelines. It holds 10 pint-sized jars, and like many larger canners, it can also hold 7 quart-sized jars. It even doubles as a water bath canner for pint and half-pint jars, but not quart jars, of high-acid foods. We love the versatility of this pot. During testing, we found out that one can be used for multiple home canning projects, as well as pressure cooking. We also like its sturdiness and longevity, but found that using it on large burners above 12,000 BTUs can warp the bottom. This aluminum pressure canner works on gas, electric, and glass ranges, but not induction cooktops. The dial pressure gauge helps you adjust the pressure needed for safe canning at high altitudes, and the 35-page instruction manual includes recipes for pressure canning, water bath canning, and pressure cooking. Basically, this one works efficiently, independently, and safely, just like this appliance should. Liquid capacity, 16 quarts mason jar capacity, 13 half pints, 10 pints, 7 quarts material, aluminum dimensions, 17.52 x 13.5 x 12 inches weight, 9.25 pounds. Number 2. Best large capacity. A bumper crop or large catch calls for a large capacity canner. The trick is balancing size versus weight. Larger pressure canners are available, but this 23-quart model weighs less than 11 pounds when empty, holds 20 pint-sized jars, and isn't too heavy to lift when fully loaded. You'll need to stack the jars to fit that many pints, which is easiest if you purchase a second rack. In its test batches, we found that this 23-quart stovetop canner ran like clockwork. The locking cover felt firm and secure, and the size was ideal for pressure canning quart jars of baked beans and turning a bumper crop of rhubarb into 13 12-ounce jars of sauce in a single water bath batch. Just note that you will likely have to bring water to the canner rather than setting the canner in the sink, as it didn't fit in the basin or under our faucet. The canner's dial gauge makes necessary altitude adjustments easily, but like all dial gauges, it should be tested and recalibrated occasionally. The aluminum pot can double as a water bath canner for all jar sizes and works on gas and electric stoves. We believe that with the proper care, this pressure canner can be a staple appliance in your kitchen for years and years to come. Liquid capacity, 23 quarts mason jar capacity, 26 half pints, 20 pints, 7 quarts material, aluminum dimensions, 17.5 x 13.5 x 15.5 inches weight, 10.32 pounds. Number 3. Best small capacity. If you can make small batches and treat your pressure canner with love, a small capacity canner can last a lifetime. All American makes some of the sturdiest and most reliable canners out there, but they're also among the heaviest and most expensive. This 10.5-quart pressure canner is among the smallest on the market that meets NCHFP guidelines, holding 4-quart and 7-pint-sized regular mouth jars. 2 Even then, it's too small for safely canning smoked fish, but its size makes it the lightest all-American model, weighing approximately 14 pounds when empty. It comes with a dial gauge and regulator weight that does the real work of maintaining consistent pressure, so the canner doesn't need recalibration. The overpressure plug should still be replaced annually. Its sealing system also differs from other brands. Instead of a gasket that can wear out, wing nut clamps seal the lid to the pot. We recommend oiling the beveled edge of the pot with a bit of olive oil to help keep the metal-on-metal seal easy to open and close, but we were impressed with the minimal maintenance and assembly required. Liquid capacity, 10.5 quarts mason jar capacity, 7 pints, 4 quarts material, aluminum dimensions, 12.25 x 12.25 x 11.8 inches weight, 14.8 pounds. Number 4. Best budget. For a large capacity canner on a budget, Miro's 22-quart model might be perfect. It holds 7 quart-sized jars, 18 stacked pint-sized jars, or 24 half-pint jars. If you live near sea level, you'll love the weight gauges for different pressure levels. This is less ideal if you live at a high altitude. Instead of making an incremental pressure adjustment for your elevation, you must use the 15 psi regulator, potentially affecting food quality. We tested this one at 3,000 feet of elevation and had to adjust the burner heat more often than with dial gauge canners to keep the pressure steady. Miro's pressure canners have concave bottoms, so they aren't suitable for flat top surfaces, whether glass or induction. The 22-quart canner comes with 2 jar racks, one for the pot's bottom and one for stacking pint-sized or smaller jars. The only added expense will likely be the occasional replacement of the rubber sealing gasket. We found that the canner worked well when processing beans in mixed batches and sealed all lids when jarring soup, though it took a few tries to get the perfect alignment and lock the canner's lid closed. While this product is marketed as a pressure canner and pressure cooker, we think it's so big that you'll likely never use it to pressure cook unless you're making huge batches. Keep in mind that it also only works on gas or electric stoves. Liquid capacity, 22 quarts mason jar capacity, 24 half pints, 9 pints, 7 quarts material, aluminum dimensions, 17x14x17 inches weight, 15 pounds. Number 5. Best for induction ranges. Pressure canners are generally aluminum, but Presto added a stainless steel clad base to this 23-quart model so that it works on gas, electric, and smooth top ranges. It's still best to check burner specs on glass ranges and induction burners to make sure they can withstand the weight of the canner when it's full, but users note that it's consistent on all range types, easy to use and long-lasting when treated with some care. Besides the stainless steel bottom, the induction canner is essentially the same as Presto's highly rated, all-aluminum 23-quart pressure canner. It has a large capacity to process big batches and a steam dial pressure gauge. Just note that a portable burner may not be the best choice for using this product, or any canner, since they can lack the heating power needed to achieve canning pressure. Liquid capacity, 23 quarts mason jar capacity, 26 half pints, 20 pints, 7 quarts material, aluminum dimensions, 17.5 x 13.5 x 15.5 inches weight, 10.32 pounds.